challenge for your brains. If you remember, when we first started doing pictographs, is that going to stick to me here? I'll put it up here. That's all right. You guys came up with this, right?
Yes.
What was the process we went through to get it? Andrew?
We had to see who had what shirts. Okay.
Thank you. And then what did we do?
Miss Austin drew.
What else did we do after?
And then we made first we made tally,
Mm-hmm.
and then we made key.
Well, first we made a tally. Right. What did the tally show us?
It showed us how about lines and how they can number things in the total.
What was the total of them? What were the tally scores, right?
Well, I mean, a half shirt was one, and then one whole shirt is two people.
Well, that was our key. When we were doing the tally, what was that, Nolan?
Well, if we would take a survey and how many people were there, we'd do a tally for each person.
Right. So, was it just for each person, or was it something specific?
Well, each shirt equals two people. No, that's for the pictograph, but for the tally, yeah, every person would do one thing.
For what? What were they voting for?
Oh, we were voting
The
for how
shirt
many
colors.
shirts we had.
For shirt colors.
The shirt colors,
Like
right?
the room had 12, so you do 12.
Right. So we were looking at how we would take this information and turn it into a pictograph, and you guys created a key. And someone had a really good idea of where each shirt could equal two, and then a half shirt equal one.
That was mine.
And then we made this data, right? So if I were to ask Grace, I'll put on you, Grace, how many students, according to this pictograph, wore a navy shirt?
The Navy, 3.
3, good, because you see,
2. And 2.
yeah, 2. Julia, how many students, according to this graph, wore a white shirt that day?
A white shirt.
According to this pictograph.
7.
Because she sees 2, 4, 6, and then 1. Good, 7. Cameron. How many students wore a maroon shirt? It's kind of hard to see from back there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Excellent. Did that add up to our?
Yes.
Now here's my
We
challenge.
connect together.
In past years, you guys have done a lot of graphing. You're very good graphers. You read graphs, you use graphs, you live graphs, right?
And
Here's my challenge for you. No, I'm not going to make it that easy. Is there another type of graph you could use to display this information?
Yeah.
Blake?
A line graph.
Could I use a line graph? I'm going to come back to that because that's an interesting choice, but I'm looking for something else, but I'm going to come back to you, so stick it in there. Jill?
You could
Okay, Julia?
Oh, wait, never mind.
Grace?
a bar graph.
We could use a bar graph. But how would we take this data and make it into a different kind of graph altogether? Trey?
We could do a pictograph. Oh, where are we doing
We're doing a pictograph. Andrew?
We could
I'm going to put her down.
yeah, no. Keys.
Yeah,
So first we would have to make a box
a box. Okay. And you be watching while he starts because you might be able to pick up where he takes off. Well, describe to me how you want me to do it, if you don't mind.
Okay. So then
I'm going to have
we
us
put
talk it through.
sideways lines.
How many?
Let's do about 12. No.
12?
No.
I
Yeah,
can.
need 12.
I can do 12.
Need 12.
I need 12? Okay. Oh, mine aren't going to be very pretty, obviously.
That's okay.
Thank you. 8, so I need, how many more? 4 more, is that right?
Yes.
So,
9,
9,
10.
11, 12. Okay. Oh, but is that enough?
Yes. Because no, actually, you need one more.
I would need one more. You want me to? So let me make it up top because I'm running out of room at the bottom. All right, Nolan. What would I use that top one for?
Because there's the highest number is 12.
Yes.
Ah.
Wait.
Oh.
Hold it up here.
He might be correct. But now okay, so right now I have a box with a bunch of lines. That doesn't really look like a bar graph to me, though.
Yes,
How
but
can I make it a bar graph?
you have to like sometimes number it.
You have to
and
write
then
the title.
Yeah.
I'm going to need a title. I'm going to come back to you. He was saying number it, so this would be what, 0?
0,
1, 2, 3.
Should I do it by ones? Yeah, for this one.
Or sometimes in other ones, they
Yeah.
skip a number and do it.
You know, I was thinking that,
And then they
Cameron,
do just extra.
because I probably then could have done, like, maybe by 2s or something, right?
Yeah, but they still put enough line.
Okay. Now, what do
So
I
then,
do?
can I say?
Thank you,
So,
Blake.
man.
You are wonderful. Let him
We
try.
need to make a title.
Well,
actually, you need to do the bottom line too.
Yeah, I was
We need to
wondering
say,
about
like,
that.
Maroon. So maroon goes here, and then navy goes
So
here.
what do we call these 3 things?
Categories.
Categories. So how many categories do we have?
3.
3. So I'm going to make like 3. And you know what? I'm going to do that just because.
That's 4.
Put like maroon.
Oh, and I need to label it, right? So we have maroon.
Do the initials.
Can I do MAR for this?
Yeah. More.
Navy.
Navy.
And white.
Why?
Okay. Now,
Now we do
Amanda.
Come on.
Trey very smartly said we need a title. Can you think of a clever title?
I didn't.
Can it have the same title as the picture?
Yes.
It
Yeah,
could.
because it's the same thing. You're just putting it into a different graph.
What would you recommend? I'm going to do this so we don't confuse me. I don't mean confuse you, I mean confuse me, right?
3 A's. Shirt colors.
You want to do shirt colors?
Creation.
Same as the other one? Why couldn't she have just said shirt colors?
Because you
We don't
wouldn't
know whose shirt
Because
colors
the
they
title
are.
isn't complete. You wouldn't know
They
whose
stand
shirt
for.
colors
It's like
they are.
Right.
It's
instead of
Space
saying-
Monkey shirt colors.
We don't know.
Or shirt colors of
So
space.
now we have, right now we have, well, you guys have done a lot. We have our survey we did before. You put in a title. We
Now
have
the main
a
thing.
scale, and this is actually called a scale, almost like when you step on something to weigh yourself and the numbers go up. This is a scale.
And a scale for.
And you've also labeled things to know our categories.
Hey, that's me.
So, oh, thank you. I think there was both. Are we done?
No,
No.
the main thing. A ball.
Trey, what will I do to
Oh,
complete the graph?
first, let's start from maroon.
Okay,
We have to count up to 12.
because we had 12.
Yes, and then you're gonna like draw that bar all the way down.
Okay, because it is smarter, I don't want it, I'm just going to do that. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's what I usually
Is
do.
that what you do?
Yeah.
I bet I could do it prettier, but for what we're doing right now.
You don't want to waste them on.
Yeah, I don't want to do that. All right, so that's maroon. What about
Navy.
Nolan?
Then we
Well, you just go.
Why only 3? Yeah, let's note our bottom so everybody can see.
Because
Numbers
if you look at the information on the pictograph.
Exactly. Oh, you smarties. Okay.